In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload PDFs in Notion. Whether you're opening Notion for the first time or you're refining your workflow, I'll guide you through two clean, reliable ways to add PDFs so they're easy to view, store, and share. First, let's talk about embedding a PDF as a viewable document. This option places a visual preview directly on your page, so you can read and scroll without leaving Notion. On a blank line, type /PDF, then press Enter. You'll see a PDF block appear with an option to upload. Click Upload. Select your PDF from your computer and let it process. If you prefer, you can also drag and drop the PDF straight into that block. After it finishes uploading, the document will appear with built-in scrolling and a clean frame that keeps it readable. This is great for things like manuals, proposals, or study materials you want to reference while taking notes on the same page. If your file is large, give it a moment to finish processing. A stable internet connection helps, and keeping file names clear will make them easier to find later. Now, if you want to attach a PDF without a big visual preview, use a simple, clickable file. This is ideal when you're organizing resources, archiving receipts, or keeping a page minimal. On a blank line, type /file, then press Enter. Click Upload a file and choose your document from your device. Notion will add a tidy file card with the name and size. You can click it whenever you need to open or download it, and it won't take up much space on your page. This approach is especially helpful on dashboards or project pages where you want quick access without a long document taking over the layout. A few quick tips to smooth things out as you go. Make sure your PDF is saved and closed on your computer before uploading, so the version you add is final. If an upload seems slow, checking your connection or trying a smaller file size can help. And remember, if your page is shared with a team, their access to the PDF matches the page permissions you've already set. That's it. Two straightforward ways to upload PDFs in Notion. A viewable document for reading in place, and a compact file for clean storage. If you found any value in today's video, hitting that like button is a small gesture that makes a huge difference in helping others find our content. We're always looking to grow, so please drop a note in the comments, whether it's a specific part you enjoyed or a suggestion on how we can level up our production. We read every single one, and your feedback directly shapes what we build next.